Hey everybody, welcome back. If it's your first time here, thanks for stopping in. I hope you enjoy it. If you're a repeat viewer or a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It is very appreciated. So today, it's been about a month and a half at least since I've been in the shop, so I've got some making up to do. You know, life just gets in the way sometimes. But for this video, I'm gonna do, I think it's May's challenge for the YouTube cross channel challenge, and that was put out by Will, and it is Mimic, which I was wasn't real sure what to do. You just find something and make something that looks similar to it, I guess. So my project is gonna be, well, you'll see, but I'm gonna use this. I don't really know what this wood is. It's a branch off of something. I've already turned it somewhat round just because that's boring to watch. And I got a cutting board made of acacia, is that how you say it? So I'm going to use that for part of it, and a little chunk of cedar. So stick around and see how it turns out. But first, I almost forgot, first I've got a sticker and another little surprise to show you. So I got a new sticker. It is from John at Siam Wood Shop. John, I hope I pronounced that correct. So it won't fit on the saw, so I'm going to the store today to get a proper sticker board and find a place to put it up, and I'll put you up there, John. I'll show that. But another surprise came with the sticker is this beautiful pin that John made. I don't know if you can, I'm sure the camera's not doing it justice with this green. Let's see if I can get some light on it here. I need better lighting. Can you see that? That is just beautiful. And around here it says, live to ride, ride to live. Which I love to ride. I don't have a bike anymore, but will again someday. Thank you, John, so much. Very appreciated. And I'll get your sticker up here at the end of the video, at least. It's making me a little nervous, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna play it safe, some 60 grit. Alright, so that's 2 coats of sanding sealer, and I sanded the 400, and now Abrasive sanding paste. And you're my best friend over here again. Alright, now we're going to shine her up with some Axe polishing restoring paste. Oh yeah. Gotta clean that up. Alright, so here is my submission for the Mimic cross-channel challenge. It's supposed to be a 105mm howitzer shell. It's fired out of a howitzer gun, oddly enough. So this is, it's called a rotating band. It's usually a softer metal, brass, copper, something like that. But it does the same thing a bullet does. When it goes in the barrel, this engages the rifling in the barrel to make it spin so it's more accurate. And this is a little fatter up here just to keep it from bouncing around in the barrel. But yeah, easy enough. Didn't know what I was going to do, but I figured I'd make it somewhat work related. So hope you enjoyed it. I kind of like it. Put it on my desk at work. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for sticking around if you made it this far. Yeah, and if you're a subscriber, again, thank you for your support. If you keep coming back and watching, thank you for your support. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but it's been a while. So on that note, you guys have a blessed day, and take care, and we'll see you next time, hopefully. Bye. Okay, John, I got your sticker up. You were the first on my brand new sticker board. It's a little bit windy. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. I think it's gonna go right in here. I don't have a whole lot of other space. And it'll just get nasty there from the polishes and oil slinging up. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. There it is. Thanks again, John.